So today we're getting back to the basics of this channel, which is making different genres, getting out of our comfort zone, and inspiring you guys to get out and do the same thing. So today we're going to be making a super fire reggaeton beat for Daddy Yankee and Bad Bunny, something you'll hear like on his new album. I don't know if you got a chance to listen to Daddy Yankee's new album yet, but super fire, so many different type of styles on there. So had me inspired. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Let's get to work. Let's start off with cassette roads. Free plugin. So we could just use, the chord helper to get us going quickly. Let's just go with a minor 7th. And then we'll take the BPM down to about 96. So we can have a nice steady bounce. And what we're going to do is go back in here and modify some of these notes. So I'm just actually going to shorten this up because I'm going to use this as a guide for myself. So that's an excellent start. So what we're going to go ahead and do is just pitch this up and down a little bit so we can kind of catch a better vibe for ourselves. So we'll hold shift. Just so these velocities are nice and random, so it gives it more of a human feel, we're just going to hit Alt R. So now you see they've randomized, and we could just, mess with it a little bit and hit accept. Woo! Man, this is sounding excellent. And one more thing I want to go ahead and do is just kind of give this an extra punch. So I'm going to move these slots down and I'm going to bring in Baby Audio's I Heart New York. So I'm going to copy and paste this in, and then I'm going to go into hybrid and I'm going to take out these little chord progressions. So I just want the top little melodies here. Let's go ahead and cycle through some sounds. I'm going to bring in Pancake so that way we could create some movement in the ears. I just need to do a little bit more sound selection on this hybrid. I think we're almost there. We're going to keep the effects that we have, and let's just cycle through until, got to be honest with ourselves about our sound selection. Let's blend it in. Yeah. Control down, change the octave. So we're going to bring in Vacuum Pro. What we're going to do, we're going to copy and paste. We're going to go in, and now this time we're going to do the opposite. We're going to take out these little counter melodies here, right? So we'll leave in our chords. Right, and then I'm just going to go ahead and extend them out a little bit. And then now we're going to cycle through some sounds. So we're just creating some variation here. control up on it. All right, and then we'll move it to the third mixer track here. And we're just gonna do a little bit of work here, right? So we'll go halftime. Woo! We're gonna bring in our friend Effectrix, and I just want to do a little bit of reverses on this. So we're gonna go in here. I think maybe on the last bar here. So we'll like do 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's see what that gives us. Man, if you don't like that, you don't like Nathan Producer Beats, baby. All right, we're gonna go parametric. We're just gonna close this out. I think I'm gonna do top and bottom here. Yeah. See what we got. I want to do a nice pad layer as well. So I'm kind of thinking about what I'm going to do in the arrangement too. So, you know, we're still pretty basic here, but I just want to, I don't want to limit myself. So I want to have enough to play with when I'm arranging this beat. So we got our trusty friend Expand here. We're going to copy and paste this one. Now, see, this is our pad layer, right? Woo! Let's control down on it. Oh, man. I want to control back up on it, though. Yeah. Turn the wet down. Bring the width up. All right, let's see what we got. That's incredible. So I think I'm going to go ahead and change the key here. Let's take it down 1. All right. Yeah. And we're just going to keep it real simple. We'll fill in these 4. We'll layer it up with this. this might be nice. So we're gonna fill in each 2 and then we'll modify it. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of distortion on this kick. Doesn't need to be anything special, so I'm just gonna modify the parameters real quick here. So I'm just gonna move the hold up, move the decay back, sustain down, and the release. So I have a little bit more, you know, control over the bass. And let's do an alternate. So we're gonna clone that. And I'm gonna copy and paste it for now. Go into my alternate, and then I'm gonna make, you know, a little different vibe for my arrangement. Got this thing all arranged. Let's go ahead and listen to this beat, and I'm gonna take you right through it, y'all. Start off simple with the Rhodes. We got bass and flute. Tucked in that arp. And then drop. Coming with a little bit of pad. Switched it up with the arps. Bass drops. All right, quick drop off. Hook is coming up, so we're gonna build it up. Chop, drop. Yeah. Then we're gonna switch it up. Yeah. Man, so that's basically it, y'all. I mean, you can't get any more simpler and cleaner than that. I'm really happy with the result of this. You know, obviously I could have went a little bit more crazy and added, you know, risers and transitions and effects and all that. But, you know, I just wanted to keep it real simple, man. And sometimes simplicity is key, even though I do like to go crazy sometimes. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. You know, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, like I said in the beginning, getting back to the basics of this channel. So if there's any genre that you're interested in seeing, you know, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below. But other than that, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate the support. I'll catch you on the next one.